Alright, my man, do you want to be on my channel?
Yeah.
So what's your name, bro?
My name is Gerald, guys. Hello, guys. Hello, vlog.
Gerard. Okay, and wait, so whereabouts are we? What street is this called?
This is called Gatot Subroto Street.
Gatot Subroto.
Yeah. So this one of the biggest street in Bali.
Yeah.
One of the biggest street in Bali. And then what else? You must interview me.
We're just having a conversation, just like so he's 21 and he's still right now at uni, and and then you started your own like food business. Or what would you call this? Like a not a restaurant, but like
Not right. We call it kedai. If in Indonesia we call it kedai.
Kedai. So is that like what would that translate to?
Like booth.
Booth, yeah, like street food.
Street food.
Yeah. Nice. And you want to tell us the menu? Like what's on the menu? Oh, I can't see it from here. But
Do you know what it's bang satu?
Bang satu, no.
Bang satu actually like that.
So that's the full name of the satay.
Satay is satay. Satay is the type of meat, and then the steak is satay. It's called satay.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then taichan is called because we have a lot of variant of satay, right?
Yeah.
We have Madura satay. We have taichan satay. Taichan is like the variant of the satay.
Okay.
And then bang satu is our name.
Yeah.
Bang satu. Do you know
Right.
bangsat?
Bastard. Wait. So that's what it translates to. Bastard.
Bastard. And
Yeah.
you. So bastard you.
Yeah. Wait, so like chicken skewer, you're a bastard.
Actually, but if you
So that's what it literally means. Wait, and then what does Taikan mean? Thai.
if you bang satu is
Bro. Oh, bro one. Okay, so like
bang is called like bro or like my man, like that bang.
right. Okay.
Satu is one.
One. Okay.
But if you like only the bangsat, it's bastard.
Right. Ah, I see. Yeah. So it's like chicken bros or something like that. Kind of translation. Yeah.
Guys, I don't bring any.
And this is like one of the main popular like main roads. So there's like a whole lot of other like little stalls in here as well. So like a sushi one, and there's like more like places as well. It's crazy, man. Crazy. But yeah. But we met these two, like Clarencia and damn, I forgot his name, but yeah, man. It's Gerald. Okay, let's go Gerald.
Let's go, Gerald.
So Gerald and Clarencia. She's actually like a TikToker as well. She's got like 100k followers on TikTok or something, which is purely coincidence, but yeah, man. It's so funny. So we were meant to keep going to the mall, and then we randomly just like decided I just decided to pull over here to get gas, and then these two he was just super helpful, and he just showed us his shop and stuff, and we just had a little yarn.
A restaurant near us. Like, what's a good restaurant in Bali? So, since you can speak English, like people want to know about Bali, but we only learn from people who speak English. They're not locals. You can speak local. So you can speak English, which is a massive benefit. If you make like vlogging type videos,
Why only? Yeah, I'll put my channel.
Right now you work, guys, so I mean I have to make them. Because I don't like
You're good, bro. You're good. But we vlogging in here, man. Hello.
You like satay?
Yeah.
You want to try satay?
Oh, we had satay already. The chicken satay, right?
Yeah. But you have to taste this one.
What's that one?
This is skin.
Oh, that's the skin one. Ah, yeah.
It's good.
Yeah. Yeah, fucking oath. Fucking oath.
no, promotion. Has to be promotion.
We out here right now. Changi.
We had donuts in New Zealand. I don't know what you guys would have, but there's a chicken.
This is you?
Yeah, this is that's me.
Oh, this doesn't even look like
So I just met some YouTube person in Indonesia, and then he said have to
bee's
upload
next.
the same video in TikTok.
Yeah,
I have to
all
upload
platforms.
the-
All
the
platforms.
whole platform.
Yeah. You could
Little,
do day in the life
Indonesian
in, like,
snack.
Indonesia from the
But-
locals. You can speak English.
Wait, Clarencia, what is this called again?
This is chicken skin.
Chicken skin. Okay, we're trying chicken skin. This is the owner over here, big man over there. Yo, show the tats
Thank you
again.
for
Show
coming.
the tattoos again.
Dragon Ball. We have Dragon Ball here. We have
Bitcoin here.
Travis Scott here.
Yeah.
We have Wakanda here.
Wakanda.
Avatar here.
Oh yeah. Got all the elements. Wow, wow.
Don't forget
Wakanda
the
forever.
Don't forget the Bitcoin.
There we go.
Bitcoin.
The Bitcoin. The Bitcoin.
Also, we have
So.
also we have this.
That's good. That's good. Yeah, so how's the food? Oh, this is really nice. I knew this was gonna be nice, like chicken
How's the
skin.
skin?
The business is nice.
So nice. Some of this as well.
But the thing
So
which
you
I'm
grab, like,
thinking of is
one
the
of these.
opportunity.
Or even taste it.
Yeah, you could even do taste. But the thing is, it's just it's so much better if it's a local. Sorry, if
I like
it's,
this one.
Sorry.
That's what I'm saying. Taste to
What you could do is
Denpasar
pure
is
flavor.
still a lot of local delivers.
yeah, it is. But you
Is this
but
just
you're right
skin?
on
Just
using
skin?
Grab and Gojek. So
We're
those
not
two things
frying
are
it.
crap. That's
We're still in
We
Grab, Gojek, and
burn
then
it.
Shopee.
Not burn it.
Oh, grill.
Grill, yeah,
Right.
grill.
It's just online.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, you wanna shout out your TikTok?
Shout out your TikTok.
Look at that. So give her a follow.
Thank you so much.
Clarencia. Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay. Good
meeting
Do you follow my Instagram as well?
No, I couldn't find your one. Put it in.
Just Adam.
Adam?
This is some amazing content.
ZZ.
Z?
Yeah, Z. I
We
S.
going to
Oh, yeah, right
New
there.
Zealand? I'm gonna do that next.
That's me.
Okay.
Alright. Okay, I'll follow you back, and then we'll see you. Okay.
Thank you so much.
It was nice meeting you. Bye bye.
Never.
Yeah. So guys, if you ever on this, what was this road called again?
Gatot Subroto.
Gatot Subroto. Okay, so you come.
And you must go to Sate Taichan Bang Satu.
Yeah.
Because Sate Taichan Bang Satu.
San Juan Satu. Yeah. Come see Gerald and his amazing girlfriend, Clarencia. Okay.
This is super cool.
Alright.
And I'm always happy to help out.
Alright, bro.
Okay. I understand.
It's good meeting you, brother.
It's nice to see churches again.
This one?
No, it's alright.
I don't know if. No, it's trust me, it's fine. Thank you for the help. Bro.
Okay, nice meeting you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Alright, nice meeting you, bro.
Nice to meet you.
I'll see you around.
Bye.
Alright, bye bye. Alright, man.
Send me the link.
Yeah, I'll send you the link to this video when I post it. Alright.
Do you have Instagram?
Wait, this is like a Disney song, right? I think. Huh? I think it is from a Disney, like a Frozen or something like that. Or like Mulan or...
That's the one, yeah.
Is it Mulan? I don't know. But bro, this mall is fucking hectic, bro. Whole live performance right there. Yeah. This is crazy, man. So we inside the mall. I think this place is called Living Mall. I think that's what it's called. We just got in the food court. But yeah, man.
Steve, we got a Mitre 10 in town.
Mitre 10. Ain't no way, bro. Jeez. Sunday night is where it is at in Bali. Look at this. Fucking crazy, dog. What the fuck? Oosh. That lad. That's crazy. Multiple like floors as well. Damn. Damn, son. Damn. You guys want to check out Uniqlo? Alright, after a fucking year inside a Uniqlo, we're back out. iBox. What the hell? Authorized Apple reseller. Oh my god. Oh my god. Whoa, look how poppin' this place is. What the hell? What the hell? Little chicken farm, you know the
How
vibes.
does it take that quick to...
Yo, this restaurant's actually ultra nice. But I spent. It's an Italian place.
Try to calculate
Back
$50
there.
million a month if you try to do that in New Zealand.
Is it gonna fire? Whoa.
Maybe it's slow.
Smoke. Oh, like a flame. Oh, the machine broken. What's going on? But throw out some spaghetti. Whoa! What the hell? I was not expecting that. What the hell? What the hell? Wow. Wait, what is that? Spaghetti. Ice cream. Ice cream.
Yeah.
This is ice cream.
No.
Spaghetti. This green thing. Oh, okay, thank you. Bro, that looked like something out of
Buzzy.
like an Alien vs Predator movie. I thought it was gonna. I don't really have an outro for this video, so I'm just gonna make a little just talk about the trip so far in Bali. You really gotta just get out of your comfort zone and just meet people. Like you gotta just keep in mind, like, hey, you're in a new country. You're never gonna meet these people again, so why not just say hello? Meet people, make awesome memories. So just you gotta get out of your comfort zone. Pretty much that was just the biggest thing for me. Like back home, I don't really talk to strangers and that kind of thing. But everyone here is super nice. Gerald and Clarencia, those guys were super cool. And yeah, I mean, Bali is a blast. Definitely would recommend it. But yeah, if you've watched this far, thank you, and I'll see you next time.